What's up, world? MrDavinci back with another video. As always, thank you for tuning in. In this video, we're going to continue the process of getting free organic traffic from Facebook using Facebook groups. This video going to be quite short, but it's going to be straight to the point. So, in the last video, I showed you. Sorry, let me scroll down. In the last video, I showed you that how to go about getting Facebook groups when coming up here, typing in your niche, typing in your niche and then asking to join. So now I'm going to show you how to post within those groups. So first thing you want to do is you're going to go to ClickBank. Hopefully you already got your affiliate link. I'm going to assume that you have if you're this far along in the video. So we're going to come down here. We're going to copy our affiliate offer. Now we're going to come back over here to Facebook. And since we got approved for a couple groups, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just keep it straight to the point. Alright, there you go. So I'm going to go to the groups that we was approved for. Now, as I mentioned before, we're targeting women who's looking to lose weight, and this is the group called Mothers Who Want to Lose Weight and Look Fabulous. So we're going to scroll down. I believe that. Alright, so let's see what we got. So this is a good offer right here. Let me get this out the way so you can see. It says, "Is your goal to get healthy in 2019? Are you waiting for a sign? Well, this is it. Do you live in the USA? Come join us for an extraordinary live video conference with Dr. Wayne Scott Anderson." Yeah, but they didn't really give you a link to join. It's a nice offer. It doesn't look like too much activities going on in this group. It's a lot of posts, but not really too much engagement, as you can see when we scroll down. So what we're going to do is, first we're going to post our offer first. And just hit there, hit Control V. But for the purpose of this video, let's say that you don't know what you want to say. So you're going to come up here. Did my browser just crash? Again, apologies for this. Sometimes my computer acts weird. I'm still trying to get this sorted out. Just give us a few moments, and I'll show you what to type in when you post into the group. Hopefully my computer get itself back to normal. Come on, computer. No, the browser crashed or it either froze, but come on. Come on, computer. A few more seconds here and it ought to snap back to normal. So we'll just wait here for a bit. But yeah, I'm going to show you how to what to type in for your affiliate offer when posting in Facebook groups, and how to attract them to get organic results or organic traffic to the offer that you're looking to promote. Once my computer decides that it wants to, there you go. So let's try this again. Refresh. Again, apologies for my screen going blank. I'll try and put a timer in below so that you can skip above that or past that. Sorry, still waking up. So the best thing that I feel that we should do is just, if you don't know what to type and you don't know how to talk to your audience, you can just copy what's in your affiliate offer. So we're going to come up here and copy, or let us copy. My computer won't let us copy. You know what? We're going, can I get the picture at least? No. Alright. So since I can't copy and download this, we're just going to come up here and we're going to do a lot of back and forth. So it says, lady, not right now. Hold on. Sorry, this is just a pop-up. Alright, so it says, to the woman So that's where we're gonna start. Oh, actually, alright, we'll include both then. So, to the woman who, let's see, to the woman who, wow, not my YouTube. The woman who constantly gives in, I think it says gives in to her hunger cravings, period. Then we're going to, what's the next sentence? Discover the secrets to, and we're not going to include the red tea detox. We're going to let them figure it out when they come to the affiliate offer. So we're going to take discover the secret, the secret proven steps, step by step, and then come back one more time, step by step. We're going to cover, hold on, discover the secret proven step by step hunger, you know what, we're going to say discover step by step that help you shed 1 pound, to help you shed 1 pound every 72 hours. We're going to put exclamation mark to show them some excitement. And then you see right here, it's going to say mom melts away 41 pounds of fat by drinking a delicious African red tea. We're just going to leave that there because when they click on this, they should be able to see that. Then we're just going to come down here, go to post, error performing query. Wait, what? Hold on. So we're going to come back here. Looks like we're going to have to refresh, because I think when my computer went black, went on double copy just to be sure. But I think when my computer went blank, it stopped my post from going through. So we're going to refresh, hit yes, we want to reload. Hopefully your computer won't do this, but just in case you have a similar scenario, this is what you would do. But no need to worry, because either way we're still going to get our posts to post within this group, or the groups that you're looking to post in, depending on what group you chose that you want to go with for your niche and for your affiliate offer. So gonna let my computer load. Alright, it's refreshing here. As you can see, this is the same group, same page. It's just a matter of my computer loading it up. Alright, and here we are. I don't want my computer closed, so let me just scroll up. Alright, yep, we're back where we started. And then we're gonna, since we copied everything, just hit Control V. That's how you paste. Wow. Is that all it oh, nope, it's all here. So now I'm gonna scroll down. Gotta let the affiliate offer load up so we can preview the post. Could not retrieve data from URL. What? My computer's really fucking with me today. Alright, so since it says it can't do that, I'm gonna delete that. Come back to bit.ly right here. We're gonna copy this again. Come back to the post. Control V. Remember, that's how it says it can't retrieve data from the URL. I find this very weird. But anyway, we're going to copy And let's hit post and let's see what happens here. Well, the moral of the story of what you just seen is the offer was promoted. We posted our link to the Facebook group, and if the women have a general interest of, let's see who we targeting. If the mothers who want to lose weight and look fabulous, we're speaking directly to them by saying, to the woman who constantly gives into her hunger cravings, discover the secret proven step by step to help you shed 1 pound every 72 hours. So if this is something that they'll be interested in, they're going to click this link. So let's say, for example, one of the women click the link, it's going to load up from Facebook. And the good thing about this is, since they click on the bit.ly link, we can see what city, state they're in, and we can use that later on for another video that I'll show you, probably be in a different course. But we can save this information and we can use that later on down the line to help us with our advertisement. But this is the free method, so we're not going to focus on that right now. But that's all I got for you for this video. I appreciate you for watching. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. If you tried this method before, leave me a comment below. Let me know your experience with posting in Facebook groups to get organic traffic to whatever offer you're promoting. But let me know if you tried this for affiliate marketing. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. And lastly, make sure you like this video. It really helps the channel out a lot. I appreciate you spending your time with me. This been MrDavinci signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Till next time, this has been MrDavinci signing off. Talk to you soon.